Your CV is the most significant document in your job application, so getting your CV right is more important than ever before. With a large increase in applicants, hiring managers only spend 30 seconds skimming your resume, so you need to make those 30 seconds count. To help you create a compelling CV, we'll walk you through the top CV writing tips. Tip number 1. Tailor your CV to the role that you're applying for. Although your CV is essentially a personal advert, you need to make sure that it aligns with the job specification too. Employers will be looking for common keywords, skills, and experience needed for a role. So start by asking yourself how you can make your CV relate to the job and stand out in a pile of similar applications. Tip number 2. Follow a clear structure and consistent format. The CV design that you choose to use usually depends on the industry that you're in. For example, if you're in a corporate position, you'll need to use a straightforward CV template, whereas a creative role requires a visually appealing CV design. With any resume or CV, you'll need clear sections that let the employer skim through your CV, allowing the most essential information to stand out from the rest. And unless you're at an executive level, you should keep all the information within 2 pages. The hiring manager will lose interest in anything longer. Tip number 3. Find out what personal details are needed on your CV. The personal details required on a CV can differ from country to country. For example, in Spain, a personal photo and your nationality are essential, whereas in the United Kingdom, this information can hinder your chances of getting the position and are generally left off any curriculum vitae. Tip number 4. Write a compelling personal statement. With such a small space, you need to make sure that you write enough to encourage the employer to contact you. To sell yourself properly, you need to highlight your years of experience, what your job-specific skills are, and what your career objectives are. Tip number 5. Get your employment and education in order. Start with your most recent and relevant work experience by detailing how long you worked there, what you did, how you did it, and what you achieved in the process. Then explain what your academic accomplishments were from high school and onwards. If you're just beginning your career and don't have any vital work experience, list your education first with a short description of your most important modules and the skills that you gained while completing them. Tip number 6. Highlight your technical and professional skills. Talking about your professional skills is a great way to show employers that you're capable of doing the job, which is why you need a dedicated section specifically for both your soft and hard skills. Let's say that you're a digital marketer. You'll need to show that you're good at SEO, web analytics, content planning, and basic HTML. Tip number 7. Show your personal interests and language skills. Including hobbies on your CV is a nice way to showcase a bit of your personality and will help you make a connection with the hiring manager. With company culture at the forefront of most businesses, having common interests with your peers can help you stand out from other candidates. And if you're proficient in another language, it can increase your chances of getting the position. So don't forget to highlight it here too. Tip number 8. Proofread your document. Be sure to double-check your CV by running it through a spell checker, reading over it at a later stage, or giving it to a friend to proofread. There's nothing worse than a simple spelling mistake hindering your chances of securing your dream job. Now that you know how to prepare and write your CV, you're one step closer to your career goals. But if you're still confused and need some more help, visit careeraddict.com for unique CV templates and professional CV writing services. And don't forget to like the video and click on the subscribe button to get more insightful tips.